upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here, but today we're doing a little bit of an eyeshadow tutorial with a review because I'm so stoked. So stoked.
Oh, gnarly.
I'm so stoked about this eyeshadow palette. I have to bring this to you because I am shook. This beautiful girl is Bobbi Boss's Ophelia. There is a review either up or coming up on this. If you don't see it, just let me know and I'll put it up. So this is the final eye look. I'm going to slide over because I'm going to include clips of how I got this eye look. But this is the BH Cosmetic Little Bit Psycho. This was their Halloween release. This is still available. I believe it retails for $14. I'll put everything down below. But I'm so impressed with this. This is literally one of my favorite palettes, period, point blank, of the year. This is the color story on it. I've used every color except for, I haven't used the white, the black, or the yellow yet. If you want to see a little eye tutorial with those colors, just let me know. I'm going to swatch while I'm talking. These shadows, I've been so impressed with the shadows from BH Cosmetic that are in square pans. I don't know what the difference is, but they're square pan shadows. I have a video either coming up or up on their travel series palette. Yeah, their travel series palettes. I have been so seriously, look at that black. Look at the pigment on that black. I can't. These colors are just giving me all of the life. They're so pigmented, they're kind of staining my fingers a little bit, which isn't horrid. I have to like color switch my fingers. So these are the colors there. Look at those shimmers, are so insane. So I'm just gonna read them off. I need my little pointer. This is this like eyebrow thing from Benefit I use as a pointer. Okay, so starting at the top row, this color here is Devil Wears It, Vamped, Sinner, Black Magic, White Lies, Showy, Knockout, and Alarming. Oh my gosh, the color story on this is insane. So for today's look, I started out with this color here, then I blended out all over the lid and up into that color. I use this as a base with this color here. Okay, I use this in my inner corner, and then I use this one along the lash line. And so this is the final look that I came up with. I actually did this same look and I topped it off with this ColourPop gel cream liner in Venus, which is my favorite. So let me just add that so you can see it really makes that red pop. These are like my favorite eyeliners as well. Yeah, look, ooh. So let me just put that in here because I did a similar look to this and I used this eyeliner and I was so, yeah. Oh yeah. I love red in the waterline. I'm not sure why. Makes you look kind of sick, but whatever. Anyway, so this is the final look. I just used my regular huge lashes and black liquid liner, but I am obsessed with this palette. I think it retails for $14. You can get it on BH Cosmetics website and also on Ulta. Do not sleep on this palette.
And now you're gone, so gone. And it was
one of the best palettes in the world, especially if we like these pinky red tones. I haven't used these other colors, but I do want to do a look with them. Again, if you want to see that, let me know. I can do that, film that quick and put it up quick. Don't sleep on this palette. It's amazing. It's gorgeous. A little bit psycho. I just love it. So I just want to do this really quick and share that with you. If you would like to see any other videos on BH Cosmetics, put that down below. If you like these eyeshadow tutorials, where it's like the tutorial and a little review, go ahead and put that down below. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thanks so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.